Good morning, everyone. I am Miss B. Sangeethapriya, working in a department of CSE IoT in SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to see about storage management in operating system. In this video, we will be covering what is storage management, types of storage, disk management, memory allocation technique, and advantages and limitations. Let's begin. The introduction. The storage management is the process of managing the storage device, organizing stored data efficiently. Why it is needed? Because the main memory is limited. Main memory is volatile, data lost when power off. So OS use secondary storage like hard disk, SSD for permanent storage. The types of storage. The storage is divided into two types. The first one is volatile storage. The data lost when the power is off. The temporary storage. Its example is RAM cache. The next one is non-volatile storage. The data remains permanent. Example HDD, that is hard disk, SSD solid state drives, and next is optical disk, and next one is the magnetic tape. The next one is a storage hierarchy. It is based on speed, cost, and the capacity. Faster storage equal to costly plus less expensive. Slower, if it is in slower storage, cheaper plus more capacity. The objectives of the storage management is, the main goal of the storage management is efficient use of storage, fast data access, data protection, backup and recovery, handling the large data. Next one, the key attribute of the storage management is, it is important attribute. The first one is performance. It ensures the fast reading and writing. Second one is reliability. It ensures the data accuracy. Third one is recoverability, and it ensures the data recovery after failure. Fourth one is capacity. That capacity is efficient space usage. The next one is disk management. Next one is the features of disk management. Some important features includes the optimization. Next one is the allocation. Third one is the protection. Fourth one is improving the system performance, and the fifth one is efficient use of the availability. The next one is the disk management in OS. The disk management is the key part of the storage management. Important function is disk formatting, low level, that is divide the disk into the sector, and next one is logical, creates the file system. Second one is partitioning, that is divides the disk into part C and D drives. File system, it organizes the files and the directories. Next one is example is FAT and NTST. Next one is disk allocation methods, that is it is divided into contiguous, linked and index. The contiguous disk allocation is the OS allocates the space to files using the method such as contiguous allocation. The contiguous allocation is filed stored in continuous blocks, fast access but cause fragmentations. Next one is linked allocation, that is file blocks are linked using the pointers. And next one is index allocation, uses an index block to store the address of file blocks. Next one is the bad block management. The disk may contains the defective sector called bad blocks. The solutions are sector spraying or error recovery or disk replacement if the damage is severe. The next one is the memory advantage of storage management. The efficient management of the storage capacity. It improves the system performance. It also reduces the time consumptions. It also helps us to organize the large data effectively, and it also supports the visualization and automation technology. The limitation of storage management is limited physical storage capacity, the performance degradation when strong, when storage becomes full. The next one is, it is in large storage system it is complexity, and in large storage to store the large storage device, the cost is so efficient, so high, and for sensitive data it gives the security risk, and it is difficult to back up and recover the process. In the next video, we will be seeing about what is contiguous memory and how the memory allocation is done. Thank you.